we are going to take a bite of this sandwich. Today we will be doing some quick sandwiches that was requested by my sis. She is Supreme. Guys, go check her channel out. Subscribe to her. Tell her that Mink sent you guys. So guys, I had three different cheeses on this sandwich, which was mozzarella cheese, pepper jack cheese, and also Swiss cheese. On the counter I had cheddar cheese, but I decided not to use that. I also used white bread, which my intentions was not to use the white bread. That didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. I bought the Italian bread and it just, I don't know, something wasn't right with it, guys. So and I had just bought that bread. I just bought that bread, so I don't understand what went wrong. I don't know if I'll get that type of bread again. So that's the reason why I'm using the white bread, which I was not gonna use that. So stay tuned for this amazing sandwich, and ask me any questions that y'all would like to ask me, guys, throughout the video. Is there, now my sandwich is not gonna be like everybody. Y'all can add whatever y'all want to these sandwiches. It's not gonna be like the way this person make a sandwich or the way that person make a sandwich. Everybody makes a sandwich differently. This is just to give ideas, you know, what you can add to a sandwich, what you, maybe you don't like certain things on a sandwich, don't want to add that to a sandwich. I mean, it's just to give ideas, guys. So enjoy the rest of this video. We have a sliced mozzarella cheese, sliced mild cheddar cheese. We also have sliced Swiss cheese, sliced pepper jack cheese. And these are the cheeses we will be using with this sandwich. Now the meat that we have rotisserie flavored chicken breast meat, and also the oven roasted diced chicken breast with rib meat. And I also have the organic romaine lettuce. So these are good for sandwiches. I also have, let me get the bread right quick.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts just can't stop thinking about you. I 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 just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying.
Hey guys, we are going to take a bite of this sandwich. Really good. Really good. If you haven't already, you guys, please go and subscribe to my sis. She is supreme. She requested this amazing video, guys, for a quick sandwich to make. And I hope that this was a good sandwich, sis. Guys, go subscribe to her channel. Let her know that Mink sent you. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed this amazing sandwich. And guys, go and make you a sandwich like this. And comment down below, what would you like for me to make next? Or tell me, guys, give me some ideas what y'all think I should do. The holidays is coming up too, so we need to learn some different ways to budget and make meals, guys. Because let me tell you, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. And I thank you guys for supporting me always. Bye-bye, my Minkies.
You always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking